Hi, Sparkshop engineers. My name is Ana Rosa Acevedo, and I am a biomedical engineer. I grew up in Los Angeles, California, and I knew I wanted to be an engineer or something similar when I was younger because my uncle used to own an auto parts business. So ever since I was little, I used to help him out and kind of learn the way that things work. And ever since then, I had this intense fascination with like how things work, why they work, and how I could get them to work. I work at a company called Naked Prosthetics, and we're a company that specializes in finger prosthetics and providing options to people that wouldn't normally have had any. Fingers are so unique to everybody. Without the strides that have been made in 3D printing, we wouldn't be able to be doing what we're doing, so that's been a real huge game changer for us. We have a product here. This is a pip driver. This is fully 3D printed and it looks so good. We added like a little texture on it, and it's important for us to have something that's not only functional but also looks good because hands are one of the most human things about you, and I've seen through this job the psychological impact that can have, and that's something that I think biomedical engineering does. Seeing like the direct positive impact you can have on somebody's life, I find that extremely rewarding when it comes to wanting to work and how excited I am to put my creativity and energy into it. I studied biomedical engineering at Northwestern University, and when I wasn't working, studying, or spending hours on hours in the machine shop, I would go into the city and explore Chicago. There were so many different places to go and so many different places to eat, and that's kind of still what I do in my free time now. I've done a lot of traveling this year. I hadn't been outside of the United States before I went to college, which was kind of unusual for the college that I went to, but pretty normal for where I grew up. But this year alone, I've been able to be in Amsterdam and Cabo, and I have a trip planned for the Dominican Republic next year. One of my favorite parts of the engineering design process is the brainstorming phase. Like, you have your problem statement and everyone's coming together and you're trying to figure out like how to solve the problem. And it doesn't matter if you're a new engineer or if you're like the most senior engineer on the team, you're all in the space just like spouting ideas. And it's really great to, feel like your ideas can be heard, even if you maybe don't know as much as somebody else. And it's also a really great space to learn. I think being an engineer is just a lifelong career of learning. I also really enjoy kind of the end of that process as well, when you see kind of like your hours of work come together to like, create something that I have to always take like a step back and think about, because when you're in it, you can kind of forget is that you created something that didn't exist previously, and having the space to be able to do that, I think, is really rewarding, and it's really cool. I'm so excited for you to learn how to be a biomedical engineer. I hope you have as much fun with it as I do on my day-to-day.